Events like these are incredibly important because they bring people together to have a conversation about a place, talk about its past, its present and its future, which will hopefully then inform decisions that are made. My role is as the Director of the Quality of Life Foundation, and we are a partner on this project with University of Ulster.
The Urban Room is a concept about creating a shared space in the city for citizens to come and learn about things that are happening that they might be able to contribute their voice to. Part of my research, my background is how to improve the way consultation happens, the way community engagement, and how those processes can help us to improve our cities or other cities. We want to invite you to have a discussion to help us both to understand what some of these terms mean and what quality of life actually stands for.
We've become essentially a university with an urban axis, not a campus axis. So that has changed the politics, that has changed the internal politics, that's changed the expectations of the students, that changes the way in which all of our stakeholders engage with us.
Urban development relies on the trust and participation of the local community, and it's by coming together and having a conversation about a town or a city that we can hopefully involve people in a way that is meaningful to them and makes a better development for everyone.
I think Belfast is a wonderful city, and they get a lot of tourists in, a lot of cruise ships coming in. The most friendliest people in the world. It's nice to be nice, isn't it? Meet nice people.
One of the things that we've learned actually in talking to people often say they've been asked questions but never really felt that their voices are being heard. I think that's what we're hoping to help improve. Bring lessons back that we might share to improve the way consultation happens, and that the city, the quality of life within the city itself is able to improve with our partners.
I would like to see an urban room like this in every city where people can come together and discuss what's important to them and what they need in their city to make it a better place for everyone.